Do you also struggle passing the thread through the needle like this? So let me give you two solutions. Now the first method is the wire method, not my favorite. The second one is my favorite, but let me show you this. So basically you'll take a thin wire, the copper one which you have running through your wires. Just pull out the copper one from them, from the extra that you have, and bend it in this way that I am showing in the video. Now once it's thin enough and you know this will fit through the needle, just maintaining that thin bit of your wire, place it down on the floor, and on this area we'll be adding hot glue. So with the help of the glue gun, just put the hot glue in this way. Now you can do this by placing it on the surface as well. I am trying to do a stunt by holding this in my hand, but please do not do this. Place this on the floor and then add the hot glue on it, because if it comes on your finger it could really burn your finger. And then once it's on the floor, I have finally put it down and I have pressed it with a flat object like this. All I have to do is cut the bottom bit of it. Now see that you cut a good amount of the bottom area, because whenever you hold it, it shouldn't poke. So cut it a little deep in so that it doesn't poke. Just do a test so you don't get pokes while using this thing. And now it's time for testing our needle helper. So here you pass this through the needle eye and then use the thread. Trust me, this is as thin as the eye of the needle, so in case if you're good at your eyesight, it will be helpful, else it might take a little bit of fiddling. Let me show you the second method. Now if you have a nylon thread like this is very useful. Take a thin bit of nylon thread like this and fold it in a loop shape in this way. Okay, once you have the loop shape, just see how much you need. I would advise to keep it a little bigger. I'm also going to expand this thing. Okay, the reason why I'm telling you to keep it bigger is because the nylon thing is flexible. Then after, the process is same like what we did with the wire. Just add the hot glue in this way on that joint portion. Mind your fingers, because you could get a nice bit of heat burn, so just mind your finger. And once you're done placing the amount you require, just press it down with a flat surface. So that's it, and all you have to do is remove it and use it. So this is how my nylon thing looks. Now nylon thing is very flexible, so it will just pop into that eye hole, needle hole, eye hole, and you know, it will expand on the other side, which is very good because at least it's big enough. It's not as the size of the needle, very thin, you know. And that's it, works nice. You let me know in the comment section which of these two ideas you all liked of mine, and for more interesting hacks, if you are new out here, do not forget to click subscribe. I'll see you next time.